did you receive my homework? I sent one on the WhatsApp and I sent one on the SMS.
What did I say, ya Hassan? What did I say? Huh?
You said you'll just check them right now.
It should be where?
I sent on both.
Okay, okay. But the official one?
Miss, I send it on the group because I didn't know that I must send it on the assessment.
It's homework, ya Rahma. It's homework, ya Rahma. So this is the names which I received their homework yesterday. I have 16 students. Adam, Muhammad Walid, Tala, Yusuf, Hassan, Kareem, Maryam, Hannah, Marwa, Jumana, Adam, Gasser, Ibrahim, Ruqayya, Mark, Word. Okay? Then
Miss, I send it on the group.
Please resend on assignment folder after the session, please, ya Rahma. Okay, so this is certificate
okay, Miss.
for Word. Okay, he got 100 out of 100. I appreciate your work. Mark, I appreciate your work, ya Mark. Thank you. Ruqayya, you can click to receive your certificate, ya Ruqayya. Thank you. You got 100 out of 100. Ibrahim, 100. Amazing. Gasser, 80. Thank you, Gasser. Adam, 90.
Nice.
Your mark was 90, Adam. Jumana, 90. Who else? Marwa, 100. Thank you, Marwa. Hannah, 100 out of 100. Amazing. Hannah, shall press Hannah خلاص. Sorry. Maryam, 100, yeah, Maryam. Thank you. Kareem, 100 out of 100. Hassan, very good. Excellent. Yusuf, Nahrug, 90. You can press to receive your certificate, yeah, Yusuf. Tala, 100. Muhammad Walid.
Miss, I did the thing.
Huh? Adam.
I made it.
What did you say?
Miss, did it pop on your
What did you say? Sorry?
الرقم بتاعي يعني في موجود هنا.
Gasser, Gasser talking.
Okay.
Gasser, we said Gasser, you have 80, right? I appreciate all your work. Congratulations for all of you. Thank you. And please, the rest of the class, keep trying to send your homework in pi r square. And what's pi?
By r power of 2.
By r power of 2. And what's by? What's the meaning of by?
هو برضه مش الراديوس هو اللي بيكون 2 by r.
Speak in English, please. Huh?
Is it supposed to be the radius supposed to be 2 by r?
No. The radius is not 2 by r. Sorry, the radius is the distance from. Who can tell Gasser what the meaning of the radius? What the meaning of the radius?
It's the half of the diameter.
It's a half of the diameter, which is a line segment. It has two endpoints. One of them lies where? One of them lies where? On the center of the circle, and the other where? On the circumference. Let me revise with you the parts which is the radius, the arc, the circumference, the diameter, and all of these. So watch with me, and I will back to you again, my dear. Yes.
Oh, can see.
Okay. So in this question, how we are going to solve this question, grade? Ya Yusuf? Sorry, Kareem? Huh?
The most popular pizza at Pavan's Pizza is the 10-inch personal pizza with one topping.
Uh-huh.
What is the area of a pizza with a diameter of 10 inches? Round your answer to the nearest hundredths.
Okay. So the area equal what? The area should be equal what? What is the rule?
Pi r square.
So area equal pi r square. And what's pi?
Pi 3.14.
Pi equal 3.40. So we have pi r square, right? Ahmed Sabir.
Yes.
Ahmed Sabir. Ahmed, what is the pi? What is the value of pi, ya Ahmed, in this question?
3.14.
3.14 hundredths. Thank you. 3.14 hundredths. And what's r? What's the value of r?
5.
Back to the question here. He said, what is the area of the pizza? And we know that the pizza take the shape of what? The pizza take the shape of what? Of circle, right? The circle. And he said that the diameter was 10, right? So the radius equal how many? The radius, if the diameter was 10, so the radius equal how many?
5 inches.
Is equal 5 inches. So we will take it and we will replace it here. So this is 5 all to the power of 2. Who can tell me the final answer? Tala. What is the final answer, ya Tala, for this question?
Yes.
We said that we want to calculate the area of the circle, right? And the pizza, it takes the shape for
Yes.
what? The pizza takes the shape of what?
A circle.
Of circle, right? And we found that the diameter was 10, then we divided by 2 to find the radius. Then we said that the radius equal 5. Marwa, so the area it will be, Marwa, the area it will be 3.14 times 5 to the power of 2. So the answer it will be how many? To calculate the area for this figure. So the answer it will be how many?
15.7.
No, 78.5 square inches. Okay, it will be 78.5 square inches. How? Because the area of pizza, like the area of the circle, and he said the diameter was 10. Then we have to find the radius. So the radius equal 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then we will replace in the formula, Gasser. We said that pi equal what? Pi equal what?
Yes, Mr. Yes, Miss.
The value of pi equal what, ya Gasser?
Of what?
Pi. The value of pi equal?
Oh, 3.14.
3.14 hundredths, okay? And then what's R in this question? What's R in this question? The radius equal how many?
Radius equal.
In this question, he said that the diameter was the diameter.
Which question?
We are in question number 12, ya Gasser.
Okay.
Please be attention here.
10.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. Noura. Jumana.
Yes.
Jumana, please read question number 13, ya Jumana, to answer it.
15.
13.
Okay. A hubcap has a radius of 16 centimeters. What is the area of the hubcap? Round your answer to the nearest hundredths.
Okay, so a hubcap has a radius of 16 centimeters. What is the area of the half cup? Round your answer to the nearest 100. How we are going to find the area of the half cup? How we will find the
Can I
area?
do it?
Okay, Jomana can continue. Jomana, how we will find the area of half cup?
16. 16 divided
the
2.
The rule first. The area equal what?
Pi r square.
Yes, so it's by r square. Okay. After that, what is the value of pi? What is the value of pi?
3.14.
3.14 hundredths, 3.14. Ibrahim. Ibrahim,
Yes.
in this question, he gave us the radius or the diameter?
Gave us the radius.
He gave us the radius, which it was
16.
16. So we will replace r by 16 directly, right? So it will be
Yes.
16 to the power of what? To the power of 2.
2.
Is there anyone can tell me the answer now? It will be how many?
Miss, can I say it?
Yes, please.
It will be 3.14
Yes.
multiply what is the 16 multiply 16? Will be
16 times, or 16 to the power of 2. So the answer, it will be, if there anyone can help us?
Miss,
Rahma, where are you? Ruqayya,
Miss is Miss
Ahmed.
803.84.
803. 803.84 or 84 hundredths squared inch. Squared centimeter, I'm sorry. And this is the answer here. Okay, so 803.84 squared centimeter. Let's move to the next question. Abdurrahman Sobh, be ready, please.
Miss, is
Next
it easier
question.
if we make
Miss,
is
please.
it easier if we make 6?
Yes, ya Ahmed.
Is it easier if we make 16 multiply 2 multiply 3.14?
No, Ahmed, 16 multiply 2 is not 16 like 16 to the power of 2. Okay, let me explain something to you. 16 multiply by 2 means 16 plus 16. Okay, 16 multiplied by 2 means that you are going to repeat addition operation. But 16 to the power of 2 means what, ya Ahmed? Means 16
16
multiplied by 16. Okay? Ahmed understood?
Yes.
Then 16 to the power of 2 means 16 multiplied by 16. But 16 times 2 means 16 plus 16. So the power, it is a repeated full multiplication, but multiply, this is repeating for addition. Understood this point?
Yes.
Ahmed understood this point?
Yes.
Ahmed Saber?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move to our next question. We can solve together question number 18. Could you please look at question number 18? Who will start to answer with us? Question number 18. A small silver dollar. Who will answer it? Okay, Ruqayya, go on. Ruqayya,
Yeah.
go on, honey. A small silver dollar. A small silver dollar pancake served at a restaurant had a circumference of 2 inches. What is the circumference? What is the circumference? Huh. The rule for the circumference equal what?
If it's radius 2 by r.
2 by r. Yes. So he said in this question, he said that the first small silver dollar pancake, its circumference was 2 pi, which means its radius, it will be equal how many? Its radius, it will be equal how many? If I will remove C now, the circumference, which you give it to us, and I'm going to write 2 pi, right? And the other side I have 2 by r, right? We can divide both sides by 2 by, and what the other side by 2 by. So what is the value of r? What is the value of r now? It will be how many? For the first silver coin, for the first silver pancake, sorry. The value of r, 2 by r divided by 2 by r equal how many? 2 by r divided by 2 by r equal how many?
Miss, can I say it?
Yes.
Equal 1. The radius is 1.
Yes, equal 1. So the radius for the first cake, for the first small silver dollar pancake was 1. What about the second one? He said with the second one, a regular pancake has a circumference 4 bar. We will calculate the radius for the second one. Then the circumference was 2 by r. And he said that equal how many? Equal 4 by. This is for the second. What we are going to do, we will divide by 2 by, and this one also we will divide by 2 by. Then the radius for the second one equal how many? The radius for the second one equal how many?
2 inches.
It will be 2 inches, yes. By divided by equal 1, 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Then, what is the area? He said in this question, if the area of regular pancake twice the area of the silver dollar, we have to calculate what now? We have to calculate what? We found that the area for the first one equal, the radius was 2, right? And the radius for the second case, the radius was, sorry, the radius for the first case was 1, the radius for the second case was 2. Who will answer with me to calculate the area of the first case? The area of the first case, it's equal what? Equal by r square, right? So, who will answer? Okay, Award?
Yes, Miss. The formula for to calculate the area of a circle is pi r square.
Exactly. So for the first one, it will be
1 times 1 because r square.
Exactly.
The radius is 1, so 1 times 1 equals 1.
Okay. So the area it will be.
And the area will be 3.14 because 1 times pi, which
we
is
can keep pi. We can keep pi, Yawar. So we can say that the first area, it will be only equal pi. Because 1 times 1, it will be equal 1. So the area for the first case equal pi. What is the area of the second case? We will replace
it.
Yes.
Okay. The radius for this second case is 2, so we will do 2 times 2.
Okay, so it will be pi times 2 power of 2.
To the power of 2.
Which means the answer it will be?
Pi 4.
4 pi, right?
4 pi, yeah.
What was the question? Ruqayya. What was the question, Ruqayya? He said what? Where is the question? Is what? عبد الرحمن صبح. Mariam,
Yes. This I am
what was
here.
the question, ya Abd Rahman? He said what? Is what?
Is the area of the regular pancake twice the area of the silver pancake?
What's the meaning of twice?
Yeah, double.
Double, yes. And do you notice that the first area, we found it equal how many?
2 inches.
No, the area. We found the area.
The area.
Radius equal 1. It was by.
Equal 1.
The radius was 1, so the area equal by. And when we found that the radius was 2, so the area equal 4 by. You can see that 4 by is twice by. 4 by is twice by. No, equal how many? This is how many times if the first is by and the second is 4 by. Equal how many times? 4 times.
1 time.
4 times. The first one was by, the second was 4 by. So this is equal 4 times. For this reason, we are going to solve this question and we would say that no, the area of the regular pancake is 4 by inches square and the area of the silver dollar pancake is by inches square. So the area of the regular pancake is 4 times the area of the silver dollar pancake. Understood this part, grade 7? So this is where just exercise about area of circle. You will find it